Ever wonder how the Great Lakes freighters onboard their supplies without stopping? I caught the Ojibwe supply vessel stocking up the Kaye E Barker just after she passed through the Soo Locks. The Ojibwe is a supply ship owned and operated by Soo Marine Supply. The freighters have a busy schedule and can't stop, so the Ojibwe brings supplies to them en route. When built in 1952, this vessel had the original name of Edward B. Green. Then, in 1989, when Interlake Steam Company acquired her, they renamed her Kaye E Barker, after the company's president's wife. Kaye can carry 25,900 tons of cargo and has a length of 767 feet. The Ojibwe first has to match the speed of the freighter and get in position before hoisting up the pallet using her onboard crane. The crew then unloads the pallet, and if they have garbage or spent equipment, they can send it back on the emptied pallet. I've always loved flying my drone on this section of the St. Mary's River. It cuts straight through Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario on the left and Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan on the right. In Sault, Mich, you can see the giant Edison Sioux Electric Hydro Power Plant, and in Ontario, you can see the Clergy Park, where I like to take off and land my drone.